What if I told you that there are places in the universe where gravity is so strong, it can warp space and time itself? These places are called black holes, and they are some of the most mysterious and fascinating objects in the cosmos. Black holes are created when a massive star dies and collapses in on itself, creating a point of infinite density called a singularity. They are invisible to the naked eye, but their gravity can pull in nearby matter, creating powerful jets of radiation that can be detected from Earth. Black holes are not just passive vacuum cleaners, they are also active cosmic engines. They can spin at incredible speeds, generating powerful magnetic fields that accelerate particles to near the speed of light. And if that's not enough, black holes are also time machines. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, the intense gravity of a black hole can warp space and time so much that time itself slows down or even stops. But don't worry, you're not going to fall into a black hole anytime